So now I'm going to do a quick video on equivalent fractions, but what's really helpful, and unfortunately I don't have one here to show you, is if you go online and Google a fraction wall, and they'll have all the fractions lined up together so you can look at them and see which ones look the same. Equivalent just means it's equal, they are the same, they show the same amount. So 1/2 is the same as 2/4. That sounds a bit strange though, doesn't it? Because they don't look the same, do they? You'd think 1/2 equals 1/2. But actually, all that it's saying is you split it up into different amounts, but the amounts that are coloured in come up to the same level. So you can split it up in lots of different amounts, so the denominator can always be different, but the amount you colour in, so your numerator, comes up to the same place in the whole of the bar, or sometimes they draw it in a circle. So if we draw a half, the denominator tells us there's 2 parts. They have to be equal parts, remember, so try your best. This is why I think a fraction wall is really good, because they've marked it all out for you. So that's a half, so we colour in 1/2. Now 2/4, the bit that colours in, is going to go up to this part as well, because they're the same. So you've got 2. So you've got 4 parts and we need 2/4, so 1, 2. And if you look at it, 1/2 is the same as 2/4. Even though they've got different denominators and numerators, the amount that you colour in actually comes up to the same bit. So they're equal, they're equivalent fractions. I'll just do an example for another one. I've got 1/3 equals 3/9. So I've drawn 3 boxes here for your third. So we'll draw in 1/3. And then 3/9. I've drawn my 9 boxes and I need to colour in 3 of them. And if you look at it, look, they've come up to the same part. They're the same, they're equal, they are equivalent. There's a bit of a trick to this as well. If you know your times tables really well, you can see that we've times this numerator and denominator by something to get this numerator and denominator. And when it's a 1, it's really nice and easy to see, because 1 times something is 3. We've used our 3 times tables. So you can also have a look and see if they fit in the same times tables. My master has got a really good session on this, and I've set it for some of the children, but Doodle also will go over this with you. But like I said, getting a fraction wall is really helpful, because you can then have a look and see.